Good afternoon, ladies and gents, and welcome to another Extreme Exotic Whips. I call this the aftermath of the car being done. So, a few things I gotta do before I get rid of this joint. Yeah, so the decision has been made. So I'm gonna definitely, get rid of the Z indefinitely, because I don't think I want to spend at least hundreds of thousands of dollars just to do that top end over. So yeah, so as far as with that being said, this car is done, totally done. Yeah, so with that being said, this will be the last ride that I take with it though. And then other than that, I already have a buyer who's gonna buy the car like today, right at this instant. That's how quick I want it gone. So, but don't worry, it's gonna be a daily regular car, a conventional car. But then, will I get another one of these similar to this? Of course, that's gonna be there. But sometimes in life, when you have these unfortunate things, that happens. Sometimes it happens for a reason. Sometimes these things happen that you can't really explain, but then there's always something. Try to pick up my napkins. There's always a reason for it though, or some inexplicable force that's out there and it's working. Yeah, I gotta take off the work gear. So now I'm about to head back, and y'all about to hear the madness. I was trying to contact another shop, but then they wasn't able to provide me I said with answers, because these guys never picked up the daggone phone. So without further ado, after I put these stop signs back, because now that I'm on limited time, I gotta move a little bit different, and I gotta wait for the buyer to come meet me on post so I can collect the cream cheese from this car. We're pretty much set. And now y'all about to hear the madness as far as the reason why I gotta get rid of it. So yep, quicker I do this, the better. And yeah, I definitely have to make major moves. So here we go. Alright, here we go. Oh, alright. How it sounds. This is the knock that y'all will hear within the video. So I gotta definitely get this back to the damn spot, because now this thing is really messed up. So I'm just gonna hurry up and get this back to the block though. You gotta give it some gas though. So, yep. Gotta lock the gate though. Let me do that real quick. And that's what y'all hear. Finally, it has been done. You're at your final resting place, or maybe not. It depends what this guy's gonna do. So you haven't any plans for it though?
I don't know. We're gonna see what we do with it.
But are you mainly just want to part it out?
We're either gonna rebuild it or part it out.
Oh, this is gonna be very interesting. Too bad you don't start a channel, man. It would have been great.
We'll see. When I get the BRZ running good.
Oh, definitely. I gotta see another one of those pulls though.
Yeah.
And we can make our way up. All right, and now we are finally back. What has been done. Got some cream cheese for the car. So now I'm gonna use that cream cheese to go get myself another set of wheels, and then we all good to go. And that is just about it. So with that being said, it's not the video that I wanted to post, but something that had to be done. So with that being said, I guess that's it for tonight's video, but like I said, supercar content is coming back. Just that my exotic whip wasn't so exotic after all because it blew up. So as always, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be definitely seeing y'all next video. And I have a long walk ahead of me, so yeah, we're gonna call it a night.